So one thing about budgeting is that you can easily find yourself feeling a bit overwhelmed, feeling a little bit demotivated, because you can take a point in time view of your finances, and frankly, if you're budgeting for, say, a month ahead, it may not look too good. I had the experience recently, and it's just worth reflecting on. You know, anything that you're doing with money is typically a long-term play. It requires patience and it requires that clear perspective. So even when we do things like, say, budget on a monthly basis, it's probably a good idea not to spend too long in those numbers, because they represent such a small amount of what we're actually working towards. So if you've got your budget that you're preparing for the month of May, look, that month of May doesn't represent an awful lot of time in the scheme of things. So don't overdo the budget. Work it through, try to keep it sensible, and just focus on the discipline and consistency to stick with it. Okay? Good luck.